Welcome to Jnana Learning Yoga Session video.
Namaste friends, let me introduce you to one yoga posture, Parvathaasana. It is also called as downward facing dog pose or Adho Mukha Svanasana. It is very good for improving blood circulation in the head region. If those who cannot do inverted posture like Shirshasana, this is very good. So let us get started. As you are sitting in Vajrasana on your knees, slowly come forward, place both palms on the ground. As you inhale, lift your knees up and place both feet on the ground. Bring your head in between your arms so that your body looks like an inverted V shape. Remain in this posture with normal breathing. Both palms and both feet touching the ground. Just be in this posture with normal breathing. Feel the stretch along your hamstring muscles and try to relax your body with the help of your breath. When you want to come back, take a deep breath, inhale, exhaling slowly, come on your knees and come to sitting posture. Thank you.